In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom inside your app and tap on where it says trade. Now, when you tap on that here, you can basically select what order you want to place. So, of course, you have a bunch of different things. You can either search for it at the top right, as you can see there's the search box, or you could just basically look inside your favorites, most traded, you have your top movers, you have majors over here, you have metals, you have crypto, you have indices, you have stocks, you have like exotic energies, miners. There's a bunch of different things you can, of course, trade. So first, you have to select whatever you want to place an order in. For this video, I'm just going to actually go ahead and I'm going to go to favorites, and I'm actually just going to use Bitcoin as it's over here at the very top, okay? Of course, the exact same process is going to apply to each and every single asset you want to trade, but I'm just going to select this one for this demonstration. Now, when you tap on that specific asset, you can see here there's basically your chart. You can do your technical analysis over here if you wanna, and then at the bottom is where you can actually place orders. So it's going to say either buy or sell. You can just tap on buy or sell, whatever you want to do here, and then as you can see, it's going to pop out this window. So when you do that like this, there we go, that's what you're going to see the first time you do this. Now you can slide this up like that, or just tap on that settings icon at the right over there, as you can see, and it's going to allow you to basically extend this to see take profit and stop loss options as well. But of course, essentially, initially, you'll just be able to see the first part, which is the volume. So of course, if you're doing a market order, which is basically an order where you buy at the current price, the price can be seen on the chart up top and then down at the bottom where you can see the blue confirm buy button. So if you do a market order for either buy or sell, you'll be able to buy at the current price or sell at the current price. If you tap on limit, which is the second option, it's going to allow you to buy at a limited price. So for example, if you wanted to buy at example, let's just say $88,000, you can of course set a limit order and it's going to execute and actually buy for you or sell for you whenever the price hits 88,000. Okay, so that's just an example. Of course, you can do whatever you want here. And then again, you have to set the volume as well as, of course, the take profit and stop loss if you wanna. Then you have the stop order up top as well, and this is basically just a stop order here you can set if you want. Now, here, I'm just going to go with market, and I'm actually going to set the volume to 0.05 here. And then at the bottom, again, I'm not going to set a take profit and stop loss, but of course you can do that and set it in either price, USD, profit in percentages, or pips, okay? Now, whenever you've done that, to place an order, you simply have to tap on confirm buy at the bottom, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to say order opened. Now here, of course, if you want to sell, you can do the exact same thing for the exception that you are actually selling. So that's how easy it actually is. And now, of course, you have some open orders. You'll be able to see them as well. So if I go out of here, so one page back, you'll be able to go to the accounts tab at the bottom left. And in here, you can basically see your open orders. You can see your positions. I have 3 open for Bitcoin. And of course, you can then manage them by tapping on them over here. You can close them. You can view them on chart, etc. So that's how to place orders. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.